Hi, this is Westgate Property Management. I am outside of 574 Lorraine Court North in Rohnert Park. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in the L section of Rohnert Park, really close to Oliver's Market. So I'm going to show you the garage first. Has a newer garage door with opener. And it's important to note this home has solar as well as a battery backup. That's where the washer and dryer would go. There's hookups. Come into the living room, all new plank vinyl flooring. It's already set up for a flat screen TV. And this window, picture window, overlooks the front of the home. Nice eat-in kitchen, open kitchen with gas range, and access to just a lovely backyard. Just really super nice and clean. So one of the really nice features of this home is that the owner put in nice built-in cabinetry that really just adds additional functionality to the bedrooms. And if you wanted to cover it up, all you would need to do is put up a curtain rod. Again, storage through these cabinets. Be great for linens. Goes almost to the ceiling, the shower, low flow toilet, really nice energy features in this home. Another built-in for this bedroom. This again faces the front of the home. And another built-ins here. And there's a TV mounted there for putting a flat screen. Again, another flat screen TV mount. And primary bathroom, nice shower, and vanity area. All been updated, super nice and clean. Same built-ins in the primary bedroom. So again, this is 574 Lorraine Court North. Thank you so much for watching.